Hello, it's Jeff the Maintenance Man. Got a quick set lock. Got a lab kit here. Pins. We're going to rekey a lock. Let's do it. Instructions. Nah, don't need that. Alright, we need this lock. This is how to do the quick set key. I need the keys. It's a little easier doing it with the keys. Actually, don't need the key, but I'm just going to use the keys that came with it. I'm going to show you why I don't need the keys here in a minute. Where are the keys? My God, they're... Yeah, here they are. Alright. Keys. Got keys. Alright. I need to... It's easier because the key fits in there, it turns, and you can just take out the cylinder. But I never trust these things. So what I do, this is not necessary, but I take the Bible off. It's called the Bible right here, or the keeper, I think is. You got the springs in there. So what I do, some of these have anti-pick pins in them, and I can't stand anti-pick pins. So I just take all the pins out and start over. This one actually has some. There we go. Get that. Take that ring off. The cylinder falls out. The cylinder and the whatever cylinder. So the next thing I do, put plug follower in it. This is so the pins won't drop out. And I need the top pins, which they are pretty square. You can tell what the top pins are. So, oops. Oh well. I'll get that one later. There we go. Man, sometimes this is where these tweezers come into place. Nah, there it went. Gosh darn it. Come on. Oh my goodness. There. Alright, so this one didn't have any anti-pick pins or any other type of pins in it. And sometimes there's a number 1 pin that is in this little slot right here. I don't know what that's for either. I'm on a need to know basis and I don't need to know it. So, not for what I'm doing. Maybe if I was an actual locksmith, then I need to know it. So then I put the Bible back on top of the springs. There we go. And that's smooth. Okay. Leave that there. What we're going to do, let me go over here and grab a boogie board. Okay. We'll clear that out. We don't need that. And I'm do the aisle master here, 54242. Makes it a little easier. And where I'm getting those numbers from is from our master key. So we're mastering this. So if I wanted to key this, all I'd have to do is actually just key it to one key. Then I'd go 5. This is a little gauge here that shows like 5. That's 3. What is that? 2. So it's 5, 3, 2. 5, 3, 2. So we're gonna write 5, 3, 2 on the board. 2. Okay, and then 6, 6. 6, 6. Now you're gonna have to use your elementary math skills here. So what we just did, we measured this key, and we already have measured our master key. So we put the master key there, and it doesn't matter what order. You can put this one on top or whatever. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is circle all the low numbers. Which number is lower than that number. And if it's like this, 5 and 5, then you just circle one of the 5s. 3 is lower than 4. 2 and 2. 4 is lower than 6. And 2 is lower than 6. These are going to be your first set of pin numbers. So, okay. So, what we do is we grab the pin numbers for these ones that are circled. So it'll be 5. And this is going from here to here. So, if you imagine this is 5, the next one's 3, 2, 4, 2. So the next one is 3, which is that. 2. Then 4. And 2. Okay. Now for our master pins. What we're going to do is subtract this. So we're not going to put a pin there. We're going to put a number 1. No pin there. 4, 6, 2, 2, 6, 4. So there's your basic math. So our master pins are going to be these ones here on the top, these little ones. You know. Okay, so 0 in the first, 1, which these are so tiny. They literally just stick to your finger. They're so tiny. Alright, so there's 1. And then a 0 for this one. And then a 2 and a 4. Here's a 2. And a 4. Goes in there. Okay. Now, if you did everything right, you're going to put this sideways. See where the Bible is? You don't want to go in this way. You want to go sideways. Like this. Like that. I don't know if y'all saw that, but it's one quick swift motion. So now this key should work. And it does. And it does, but I need to put this on here because this is gonna screw something up. I'm just putting the snap ring back on, and then I'm going to use one of my keys to test it, which would be my master key, which goes to all the apartments. So, where is it? Oh my God. There it is. Okay. So this key should work also. And it does. Like a champ. So this is now mastered to 2 keys. The resident gets this key, and all the employees that have a master key, like maintenance and security, that's their key. So I can just use my master key to get into when we give the resident this lock, install it, it's already mastered and ready to go for them. That's how to master a quick set lock. I hope you guys learned something from that. And Jeff the Maintenance Man saying have a great day.